If you are thinking of creating your online content, would you need to subcontract the photo editing to a professional or someone with more skills than you in image editing? I give you 3 reasons why you should learn to do it first on your own. Hello, digital immigrants and experts. I am Abby Caparaz, and I'm here to help you to share your expertise in the online world so that you can expand your influence sooner, better, and faster. You know, I have been in YouTube for a couple of years now, and I get it. It can be overwhelming to do everything on your own. And specifically, you may ask, isn't shifting to the online platforms already a big deal? Should I not just concentrate on the content and leave it to some other people to do the images and the creative stuff that I have no talent for? Well, I gave you 3 reasons. First of all, if you have limited funds, but you are giving yourself a longer time for learning, you can avoid spending so much money that you can actually close shop and declare that online business is a failure. And doing the works like researching, writing the script, doing the video recording, editing the photos, the thumbnails, it's going to save you a lot of money. There's a particular site where you can actually get professional services that used to start with $5. Now I find it a little bit more expensive. Like a thumbnail design can actually cost $10, and others are offering for $30 and $50. So you can just imagine that if you subcontract thumbnail designs and you intend to have for 1 year 100 videos, that is your goal, then you must set a budget for let's just say $30. And that is in Philippine peso, that is like 1,800 pesos. Multiply that by 100 videos, that's a lot of money. Surely, if you have the money, you can subcontract many of these tasks from the get-go. But I give you 2 more reasons why you can learn to edit first on your own. The second reason why you should learn to edit your own photos and images is because they are all part of the creative process. So you must learn that part of the business before you can actually delegate it. So really, I said that you can learn it for a certain period of time and pass on the ideas, because later on, when you scale the business, there are really some tasks that you have been doing that others can do. You can teach them how you will do them in the past, and you can let them have still their creative freedom to improve on your ideas. But in the beginning, really, the artists have to ask you your idea about it, the photos that you like, the text that you want to put in there. In the beginning, when I was trying to do this subcontracting also, and the other person that I have hired have asked me many questions, sometimes I would think perhaps I should have done it already on my own, because, you also have to spend effort there. So that's when I decided I'll learn to do editing first. And that's it. Later on, when I have a better idea of how my videos will be, then I can subcontract that part of the business. The third and the final reason why you should learn to do the editing first of your photos and your images is because you are the protagonist in the photos that you will be using. So you will be the one to decide if the photos can be enhanced in such a way that your message will be better conveyed by the photos, or because you were there at the time that the photos were taken, you can see whether the photos actually reflected the surroundings. So we are very lucky that our iPhones, our smartphones have photo apps so that you can choose to edit it to make it a little bit more vivid, warmer, or cooler, somehow a closer estimation of how it was when you took the photos or how it was when the photo was taken. So when you learn to edit your own photos and images, you will save a lot of money. You will be an expert in the entire process of content creation, and you can convey your messages better through your photos and images. Do you want to go for it? Are you up to the task? Are you motivated to learn? I hope that you are convinced that this is all part of the learning process, and your journey to the online world will be a more confident one if you can learn everything first on your own before you can subcontract or delegate some of the tasks so that you can focus on the more essential things. So try out this simple photo editing. I know that learning this one thing can give you that extra motivation to go for more editing, because it's not really that difficult. And if you have not done so, consider subscribing by hitting this button. And it's really an easy one. Your expertise is there for a reason. Help improve the world by sharing your expertise online. There will be always someone or some people or some communities who will love to learn from your expertise. Bye for now.